Please take note friends, yan po yung 6 steps paano magsimula sa negosyo. Based po from research. Number 1, business idea. Simply said, think. Do not limit to 1, but 3 business ideas. Number 2, plan. Opo, short-term plan tsaka long-term plan. Sa operations po natin, sa financials, sa human resources. Number 3, action. Importante, implement talaga natin yung number 1 tsaka number 2. And number 4, monitor. Number 5, manage. Simply said, do not just be a business owner, but be an operations manager. And number 6, prayer.